okay with dirt road dancing, and today I'm going to be teaching bar song. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance with an itsy bitsy 4 count tag towards the end. Now if you haven't already, please click that button below, subscribe to our channel to learn a bunch of other dances. Now if you're ready to learn this one, follow me and let's go. All right, let's start that first set of 8 counts. For our first set of 8 counts, we're going to step with our right foot to the side, creating a rumba box. So we're going to step out with our right foot, bring in that left, step forward with that right foot, touch in with that left, keeping our weight on that right foot. Then to finish that box, we're going to step to our left, bring in that right foot, step back with that left, bring in our right foot. Again, that right, together, right, together, left, together, left, together. Let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's start that second set of 8 count. We just finished that rumba box. Our weight's on our left. We're going to step to the side with our right foot for some step touches. We're going to step to the right, touch in with that left, step to the left, touch in with that right. Then we're going to do a grapevine to the right, bringing out our right foot. Left foot comes back, right foot comes out. Then we're going to touch in with that left. Let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the first 16 counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on to our third set of 8 counts. We just finished vining to our right, and what we do to the right side, we now got to do to the left. So we're going to step touch to our left, bringing out that left foot, bring in that right, then step out with our right foot, bring in that left, then we're going to grapevine with a scuff at the end to our left wall. We're going to step out with that left foot, bring back that right, step out with that left, scuff, and turn to our 9 o'clock wall. Let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, scuff 8. All right, let's dance out all 24 counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, stuff 8. All right, for our last set of 8 count, we'll be facing our 9 o'clock wall. However, I'm going to face our home wall so you can see what my boots are doing. So we just finished that last grapevine to the left with a scuff. We're going to hop out with our right heel for 1, hold 2. Then we're going to hop and switch to our left for 3, hold 4. Hop out 5, hold 6. Shake 7, 8. Let's do that a little bit faster with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, heel 3, 4. Hop 5, hold 6. Shake 7, 8. All right, everyone, let's do all 32 counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, find 5, 6, 7, step 8, heel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shake 7, 8. All right, everyone, this song has a 4-count tag towards the end. It does slow down at the end of the song, and it's towards the back wall. However, I'm going to do it facing our home wall so you can see what my boots are doing. So we just finished with that hop out and shake 7, 8. Then we're going to step touch to the right for 1, 2. Step touch to the left for 3, 4. And then we go right back into that rumba box for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Congratulations, everyone. That's the end of the dance. Now, if you're ready to dance it out with me, click that link above and let's go stomp it out.